Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to unarchive story on Instagram. For that, launch your Instagram application and then tap on your profile icon. After that, select the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will be able to see the archive option, so you can directly tap on archive. If you are not able to see archive on this page, then you can even use the search bar and search for archive, and once the option comes appear in front of you, you just have to simply tap on it. Now here in the top you will have to select it as the story archive, so tap on the drop down menu, and if it is selected as post archive or the live archive, you just have to make sure that it is selected on stories archive. Now you will be able to see all of your Instagram stories. Now in order to unarchive any of the stories, you first have to select it, then tap on the more option in the bottom right hand corner. After that, select the option of share as post, and you can share your story as a post. You can even share it in your Instagram story as well. So this will work in a similar way as we do in unarchiving. So instead of unarchiving, what you can do is you can simply share your story again and it will work as a new story. So this is how you can basically do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.